kids, welcome to my video. Let's learn some colors. We have some colors. Wow. Let's learn light green, orange, sky blue color, yellow color, violet, pink color, red color. Okay. Let's start. Today we're going to learn how to draw a star easy. Try to draw with me step by step. First, we have some numbers. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Okay, let's draw the star. 1, number 1 to number 2, and then to number 3, number 4, number 5, and then number 1 again. Wow! We have a cute star now. Let's paint. Okay, let's paint with blue. I love blue. Wow, this star is so cute. I love it. Try to draw with me, guys. It is so easy. Wow, I love it. We have a blue star, wow, I love it. This star is so cute. I love it so much. Wow! Okay, guys. We are done now, and I will see you in the next video. If you want to see my next video, subscribe my channel.